Yay! It's actually really nice out, says the girl in a coat. It's not, the woods are like nothing but trees with no leaves. That house is still out there. Like God, it's nice. Look. There's ice where the bird food would be. Okay, I find this funny. Cord, get out of the way. We're gonna be putting a tree up out here somewhere. Oh my God, I don't have my gloves on. Yeah, let's step in the snow. That's a good idea. And there's pebbles on the table. Oh, the snowblower did that. They're like everywhere. There was so much snow. Now it's bare. What the fuck was that? I don't know. Beautiful ribbons, but I don't know. Tiny snow. Fear me. Yeah. I'm going back inside. I'm cold.